अगर एक शादी में alcohol नहीं है, and I know weddings that have not had
Of
alcohol.
course, there are many.
Tell me what's the disappointment level out of 100?
कुछ अयोध्या का कुछ हो रहा था and they declared a dry day.
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा
ऐसा कुछ
हाँ
था,
20
है ना?
जनवरी में
हाँ,
वो
correct.
कहीं ना कहीं से तो अपना जुगाड़ फिट कर ही लेते हैं और आ ही जाता है.
Yes. The guests are all playing separate games and they're all having a blast. This happened once when my mandap almost fell down.
You do yoga and meditation?
I don't, but I should.
Hashtag God's plan, Rinku.
It is God's plan. It is God's
Hashtag
plan.
God's plan. One incident that knocks you
Yeah.
and you say, as you're growing up, you say, I wish this didn't happen.
You mean like a regret or you just mean like...
Regret हो सकता है या कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर एक शादी में alcohol नहीं है, and I know weddings that have not had
Of
alcohol.
course, there are many.
Tell me what's the disappointment level out of 100?
It's a lot, and then we have secret hidden bars also, which is the actual कारोबार.
हाँ.
क्योंकि गाड़ी बाहर खड़ी होती है
हाँ.
और वहाँ पे जाके पी रहे होते हैं. सिर्फ यंगस्टर्स नहीं है, सब
हर शादी में होता है यार, जहाँ बोलते हैं there is no alcohol, कहीं ना कहीं तो
होती है.
I feel if you resist, it will persist.
हाँ.
वो कहीं ना कहीं से तो अपना जुगाड़ फिट कर ही लेते हैं और आ ही जाता है. You will see everybody all high in spirits.
Yes.
But have you had a wedding or have you done a wedding where there was absolutely no alcohol?
So there was an incident. In fact, chalo, I'll tell you, there are like majority, let's say Marwadi Gujaratis, they don't usually have alcohol. Na?
Right.
So for them, they're used to it. But I had this hardcore Sindhi wedding. जब वो कुछ अयोध्या का कुछ हो रहा था and they declared a dry day. Today, and the next day was the
प्राण स्थापना,
संगीत,
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा,
ऐसा कुछ
हाँ, 20 जनवरी में.
हाँ. So they declared कि चलो आज ड्राई डे है and अगले दिन उनका संगीत है. There's a मेहंदी in the afternoon, the first event, and the संगीत in the evening. Now what to do, because hardcore Sindhis, they want alcohol everywhere and they're not going to be able to party without it. So overnight we've thought of, chalo, what to do? Okay, let's get a single, let's get this game, let's get that game, let's get the bartenders to serve mocktails, which are really fancy, and let's try and like engage all of them. I cut to the next day, and I've entered the party, like I've finished the setup, and I've entered at this point where my team and the guests are all playing separate games and they're all having a blast. We've got this limbo dance happening where there are people going under it and uncles and aunties are trying to go under it. Then there is this whole, exactly what you do also at events, engaging the audience. But I'm talking about a few years back where it wasn't so big that time. And then thankfully for the Sangeet, they said that there is no dry day anymore.
Nice.
But the afternoon was a challenge to get them engaged. But I was just very happy that they all went by it. And they were not like, अरे क्या है, दारू नहीं है, नहीं enjoy करेंगे. They all came with the mood कि भाई मजा करना है.
But I think that also, again, for you to keep your calm and to think of how to salvage the situation is also a very important part of your job जो आप करती हैं as wedding planners. Basically आप एक ऐसी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पर आपको हमेशा ये 2 कदम आगे रहना पड़ता है कि क्या गलत जा सकता है, उसका सोल्यूशन आपके पास हमेशा रहना चाहिए.
And patience, I think it's the biggest virtue of a planner. You have to have
very patient
and just be calm. Because ये situations बहुत आती है.
You do yoga and meditation?
I don't, but I should.
Like, do you do something to just, because your wedding season like high octane, it's keeping you on the edge. What do you do to stay calm and composed?
So to be honest, I am as a person, I am a calm person. So,
okay.
Back in the day, they used to call me Dalai Lama. They used to be like, you are like this Dalai Lama. You have no energy. You're just always calm and quiet.
Right.
I think that's worked in my benefit now. To my benefit now. And so I am generally a calm and composed person. I don't get flustered. And when I do, which has happened once when my mandap almost fell down an hour before the wedding.
Okay.
Is when I completely lost it and I had that whole anxiety where I had to have water and like people were like shoving water down my throat. But apart from that, I'm quite calm and composed. And I should be meditating. I would suggest that, but I don't.
I've realized the power of meditating for somebody like me because I'm an antithesis of your personality.
Okay.
I am constantly wired, overstimulated. I love this. It makes me who I am. But I've also realized, again, one of my gurus said this very interesting thing. She said, you cannot always be on the extreme because nature sometimes gets destroyed in the extreme. So try and find a balance. वही balance ढूंढने की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
So what do you do?
I started this breathing technique. I believe, and I started working out. So working out has been my therapy for me. Honestly, बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे हमेशा पूछते हैं कि Glenn तू क्या करता है? तू how are you always performing and how is your mind always wired? It's primarily because that 1 hour that मैं अपने आप को dedicate करता हूँ. ये थोड़ा सा spiritual angle में है. क्या करता हूँ? When I work out at the gym, is the best time I pray. So जब मैं जिम में वर्कआउट करता हूँ तो मेरी जो नर्वस सिस्टम है और मेरा ब्रेथ है वो अलाइंड है. The only thing मैं सोच रहा हूँ उस वक्त is about my breathing. Basis of human life is breathing.
Yes.
आप सांस ले रहे हो तो there is no other thought. I'm only focused on my breathing. Every time I push a weight, every time I release the weight, I'm only thinking of my breath.
Okay.
And when my breath and my nervous system are aligned, between the set, I sit down on the bench press machine or you will see me in the gym if you ever worked out with me or anybody. My hands are always joined. And I'm always saying thank you because I cannot believe I'm alive.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that I'm feeling this breath. I cannot believe that there is no thought in my head except for my breath. So
That's
my
amazing.
prayer becomes more thank you as opposed to मुझे ये चाहिए मुझे वो चाहिए. तो मेरा meditation gym में होता है. जब मैं भाग रहा होता हूँ, जब मैं run कर रहा होता हूँ at a very slow pace, again I'm focusing on my breath, trying to keep my breathing at a certain level. तो मैं तब भी बात कर रहा होता हूँ to a divine power saying I'm so glad, I'm so grateful, and for an overthinker like me it works. It helps me calm down, helps me put things into a perspective.
And just clarity comes to you.
Gives me clarity when I'm running. So working out or running doesn't stress my body out, except if I've not slept, then that is again shooting your cortisol levels up. But it just helps me level myself. So that for me is my elixir and helps me go on.
Coming to that point, if I may, that's actually my meditation is, it's cliche to say, but it is my work. So when I see my setups coming alive, there is a moment that I take to just stand away from what's happening and just watch. I think it happens to me before the show and during the event. When I see the bride and groom dancing or just everyone's enjoying themselves, it gives me a big high. But at the same moment, I do try to take a step back and just calmly watch and observe everything and have a lot of gratitude. For me also, just like you, I have I ever prayed for something. I don't ever pray for anything. I always say thank you. And thank you to the universe and thank you. Whatever you're giving me, I'm sure it's good for me. And please continue to give me something that's going to be good for me.
I also ask, मैं ना gift of choice के लिए भी pray करता हूँ कि bless me with the gift of choice. कि मुझे ना एक समय था जब आप छोटे होते तो आपको आप अपने दोस्तों को देखते हैं जो बड़ी गाड़ियों में आते हैं तो आपको आप विश करते हैं गॉड मुझे ये देना, गॉड मुझे वो गाड़ी काश मेरे डैड के पास होती है, सारी चीजें आपके जहन में होती हैं. पर जब आप एक सर्टेन एज पे रीच करते हो, लाइक आई हैव क्रॉस 30, तो आई हैव गॉन बैक टू माय स्पिरिचुअलिटी अगेन और प्रेयर अगेन. और माय प्रेयर इज ओनली फॉर हेल्थ एंड द गिफ्ट ऑफ चॉइस की हेल्प मी मेक द राइट जजमेंट. एंड इफ आई हैव नॉट मेड द राइट जजमेंट, हेल्प मी हैव ग्रेट स्टोरीज टू टेल.
Oh, that's a good one.
Let me have the greatest of stories to tell because ये one life है. And I've also realized one more very interesting aspect of this is कि evolution होता है, इंसान का हर बार positive होना जरूरी नहीं है.
नहीं.
वो negative evolution भी होता है. And I've been a little less hard on myself because of this, when I've realized that there is if I don't like certain things about me, earlier क्या होता था, आप कोसते हैं खुद को कि why am I this, why am I that?
Yeah.
I've realized this is a certain vibration of me as a person. I'm energy. This is a certain vibration which is probably a lower vibration.
Yeah.
And I have to make peace with it.
And you're reacting differently to different situations.
And I have to learn to make peace with this and understand I have to love and accept this person also for who he is completely.
For sure.
You seem like a Zen master, man. Like you seem like you've done it all.
I haven't done it all at all.
Is this like a facade you're putting on and telling me?
No, I am. You can ask anyone. I am generally a calm person. I am generally a calm person. I've always been the one in my family and in my team and everyone to calm everyone down, including brides, grooms, everyone.
But what's your self-talk? What do you tell yourself when your chips are down? क्योंकि आप एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पे ठीक है पैसा है, बहुत flamboyant industry है, बहुत glamour है, but there are times when your chips are down, when things are not working. Things must have not worked out in your life also.
Of course.
What was your self-talk?
No, so there has been situations where this has happened with my family before I started weddings.
Just if you can share.
Where we went down the dumps quite badly, where my parents had to shut the college, and we were in a very, very bad situation where I started doing events for like $5,000. And that's how we would all earn till they ended up selling and then we became okay. But that's when I realized and उस टाइम पे ना क्या होता है desperate times call for desperate measures. तो फिर बाबा भी आ रहे हैं, feng shui भी हो रहा है, वास्तु भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है but कुछ work नहीं हो रहा है. That's when I learned early in life कि you know, there's going to be a bad phase in your life and you just have to learn to get over it. And whatever happens, eventually whatever happens for a reason. And you'll come to know later why it's happening.
Hashtag God's plan, Rinku.
It is God's plan. It is God's
Hashtag
plan.
God's plan.
And that has helped me today. And I know that now, that because, you know, I've seen the worst. So now I feel like I can deal with whatever's happening. And I see everything with a positive mind. कि नहीं, ये ठीक है, ये खत्म हो जाएगा.
What's the worst dire straits you think, as you know, everybody, all of us have this one thing, एक चीज होती है हमारे बचपन में जो हमको लगता है कि one incident that knocks you, and you say, you know, as you're growing up, you say, I wish this didn't happen.
You mean like a regret, or you just mean like?
Regret हो सकता है या कुछ भी हो सकता है.